Let's bake pizza with me. Yummy fun for you and me.
First we pick vegetables bright.
Mushroom, sausage, cheese so soft. Red chili too. Lots of toppings just for you.
Now we stuff the pizza round.
Cut, cut sausage. 1, 2, 3. Put it gently. Cut, cut red chili red. Tiny pieces on the bread. Cut, cut, cut. Don't be slow. On the pizza, off they go.
Now the mushrooms
Plop, plop, plop.
on the pizza drop, drop, drop.
Mushroom, mushroom, mushroom.
Dancing toppings in the room.
Cheese, cheese, sprinkle cheese.
Soft and melty, if you please.
Cheese, cheese, everywhere. Yummy smell is in the air.
Into oven, time to wait.
Count together, don't be late.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pizza's ready.
High five.